Ubhau chitta aikyam tu gacchataha katham. How can they can become one? See, Kumbha Uvacha. Sargaha chitspandamatraatma samyak drushto viliyate. See, Sargaha, all the experiences created by the mind, samyak drushto viliyate. When you are able to look at the differences without losing your understanding with the substratum, then the chitta spanda can be dissolved, can be made into one. Like, see the example. If a lady goes to buy the ornaments or some jewelry, her attention is on the name, form, the design, the popularity, you see, designer's piece, something special. Nobody has, only I have. So her attention is only on the name and the form. And when the jeweler looks at the same, he looks at name also, but his attention is on the gold, whether it is made of gold or something else. See? In the same manner, sarga spanda, chit spanda matratma samyak drushto viliyate. So chitta spanda, chit spanda, matra atma. See, creation is nothing but chit spanda. The creation is nothing but Paramatma. When the ocean does spanda, the waves are born. When the mind does spanda, the ocean is born. See, this is what we told you, material cause, the upadan karan. Sargaha chit, spanda matratma. That means consciousness, when activated, is called as creation. And samyak drashto viliyate. And when you know the creation is nothing other than Paramatma, then you will be able to attain oneness in the spanda and aspanda, creation and dissolution. See? So this example repeatedly told, get one day at least. When the eyes open, immediately colors and forms are created. So what are colors and forms? Nothing but a vision. When the eyes are closed, all the colors and forms go back to the vision. So it is the spanda of the vision, the color and form are created, and it is the aspanda of the colors and form, they are coming back. See? Like the bubble, gum, the children eat. They will be chewing it and bring out the bubble, spanda, and then they again swallow it, bring back to themselves. See? Again and again, work on this, work on this. From the deep sleep, when we come out, the whole world is brought out. Our identity, wife, husband, children, mother, father, in-laws, outlaws, country, everything. And in deep sleep, everything goes back. The spanda, spandau. Now in between these two, what attention you give? If you are given attention to the sarga, then you will be samsari. When you are living in the sarga, in the creation, but your attention is on your own self, then the world will not be an issue for you. This is what is said here. Sargaha chit spanda matratma samyak drushto viliyate. So, the sargaha samyak drushto viliyate. The creation disappears when you have correct understanding of this principle. That it is the gold itself is expressing as the ornaments, and when the ornaments are dissolved, only the names and forms disappear, gold remains as it is. In the same manner, when eyes are open, colors and forms are created. When the eyes are closed, all of them disappear. We don't ask where the colors and forms have gone. In the same manner, when the dream is there, we enjoy or suffer. But when the dream is over, we don't ask where the dream has gone. Similarly, in the waking, only the world exists, and in the deep sleep, where the world has gone, there we don't ask question where I am, when I am, what I am. See, friends, our own experiences are to be analyzed in the light of the scriptural authority and wisdom. That is Vedanta sadhana. See, so sarga chispanda matratma samyak drashto viliyate. So for the jeweler, although he is seeing the ornaments, but his attention is on the gold. See? Exactly the same way. Look at the world, but attention is on your own self, and then from there you come to know whole world is nothing but me. Mayi eva sakalam jatam, mayi sarvam pratishtitam, mayi sarvam layam yati, tad brahmadvayam asmyam. See, how do we know that we have reached this stage? Sarga chispanda matratma samyak drushto viliyate. Sarga samyak drushto viliyate. The creation disappears by the proper understanding. So when a person has realized, does it mean that the world will disappear for him? Like when we see the sky as blue, and then we studied physics and we come to know that the sky is not blue, it is optical illusion. After we know that, will the blue appearance of the sky will disappear? No, it will continue to be. Then, earlier we were giving a status of reality to that blue color, and therefore we are suffering. We wanted to change the color, we wanted to alter something, we want to make it more dark, we want to make it light. So some kind of desires about that which is considered as real will erupt in the mind. But when we know that this blue color is only an optical illusion, it is not real, we enjoy but we don't desire. Be attentive. The meaning is samyak drushto viliyate means we will be living in this world cheerfully, happily with everybody, but at a zero desire level. Nothing to do, nowhere to go. See, my dear friends. So when you take this world as real, then you will start desiring about the things. But when you take this world as the illusion, you cannot desire anything of this world. Enjoy this world, there is nothing wrong, like I am doing. Like in our Mumbai, my dear Sham has given me a lovely flat to live. So I am enjoying it, but I don't possess it. So if tomorrow he tells me, Swamiji, we'll have to change, I say, okay, change, no problem. So enjoy the world, but don't possess anything in this world. Don't desire anything. And possessions and desires come only when we take this world as real. And where from the world begins? This waking world begins from our body identification. And therefore we have been telling it 100 times. The real spiritual practice is freedom from body identification. As long as we are identified with the body, desires about the world will not stop. They will continue to appear. So samyak drushto viliyate sargaha, the creation disappears under this wisdom. Then it means the world will continue to exist, but it will no more bother us through the desires. When we take this world as an illusion and appearance but not real. One way. Second thing, according to this what we are studying, when the same Brahman has become Brahma and the Brahma has become the world, so the whole world is nothing but Brahman, which includes us also. And therefore we cannot have desire for ourselves. Like the eyes cannot see themselves, in the same manner, I cannot desire myself because I am me. Therefore, whether you take this world as an illusion, your desire pressure will be reduced to minimum, or you take this world as your own self, Sarvam Kalvidam Brahma, there also the desire will not be an issue in your life because everything is mine. What to desire? See, friends, this is the beauty of Yoga Vasishta. Sarvam Kalvidam Brahma is the approach of the Chidvilas Siddhanta. And Brahma Satyam Jagan Mithya is the Siddhanta of the Vedanta. And both of them mean the same thing, but they keep on fighting for no reason. Kumbha Uvacha Sarga Chispanda Matratma Samyak Drushto Viliyate.